We cannot even imagine the world without electricity. Due to daily increasing power demand, a new power station is being constructed even at this moment in every part of the Earth. And one more thing. Overhead transmission lines that transmit electricity produced in power stations to the cities and industrial complexes are also increasing continuously. Generally, diameter of overhead conductor that transmits 154 kilovolt, 830 ampere current runs to 2.85 centimeters. Weight of conductor reaching 1.673 kilogram per 1 meter makes the shape of overhead transmission lines like this. In addition, sag of overhead conductor becomes worse due to heat generation as amount of flowing current increases. The reason why the height of 154 kilovolt electric tower reaches up to 40 to 50 meters is to keep extra high voltage current of overhead transmission lines from exerting an influence on the ground part. Therefore, construction of overhead transmission lines needs a lot of money. Furthermore, establishment of overhead transmission lines brings about a serious social problem. Development of lightweight, low sag and high capacity overhead conductors can improve such problems a great deal. Dr. Kim Byung-gol's team of Korea Electrotechnology Research Institute raised domestic technology to the global level by developing this new high capacity and low loss overhead conductors.
우리나라에서 사용되고 있는 규격을 볼 때 410 스퀘어짜리 송전선 같은 경우에 일반 송전선은 820 암페어 정도 흘리는데 이 대용량 송전선 같은 경우에는 2배 정도 되는 1650 정도 암페어 정도 흘릴 수가 있죠. 2개의 칠탑이 담당할 수 있는 용량을 한 칠탑, 한 송전선로에서 담당하고 있는 겁니다.
Outstanding performance of X conductor comes from material properties of metallic steel wire that integrated new design-based structural characteristics into the latest material technology. In general, overhead conductors are composed of core part that supports their weight and AL part that delivers electricity. Our research team carried out several detailed researches to develop the core technology in securing high capacity, low loss, and low sag. X conductor adopts specially heat-treated high conductive softened aluminum wire. We increased AL packing density from 75 to 95% by newly designing cross-section of round-typed existing conductor part in a trapezoidal shape. Increased cross-sectional area and electrical conductivity led to high capacity of overhead conductors and loss-reducing effect as a result. X conductor realizes power transfer capability 1.8 times more and maximum 20% of power loss reducing effect than ACSR used for existing overhead transmission lines. X conductor is designed to allocate 7 strands of specially manufactured ultra-high strength steel wires in core part. These steel wires support tremendous tension of overhead conductors. A more complicated technology to prevent sag is hidden in X conductor, which is a technology that controls tension transition temperature, that is to say, a knee point that transfers tension permitted to the entire conductor to the steel wire of core part 100%. While adopting ultra-high strength steel wires reaching maximum 250 kilogram force millimeter square in core part, we let the transition of tension happen at low temperature by adopting tensile strength minimized softened aluminum in AL part. Knee point in low temperature areas invest X conductor with outstanding low sag properties. As you see, X conductor restrains sag phenomenon extremely as compared to existing ACSR. It shows vastly superior properties comparing to HSTA-CIR-AW developed in Japan and currently used in KEPCO. Unlike general electric wires, bare overhead conductors are exposed to the threats of corrosion and damage. For a lot of mountainous areas of our country, surface damage occurs much in the course of installation due to numerous geological limitations. Damage on the surface of conductors causes performance degradation in operation. X-Conductor solved problems with surface strengthening technology through blasting and peening treatment. Preventing corrosion caused by acid rain and air pollution, X-Conductor prevents surface damage occurring in the course of manufacturing, transportation, and installation, and also keeps down performance degradation occurring in operation to the maximum. With intellectual property rights secured through 5 cases of patent application, X-Conductor has excellent competitive price as well as performance. X-Conductor has low sag properties superior to HSTA CIRAW, but the price is only 1/3 of it. Production of X-Conductor will provide a momentum to localized foreign technology, incurring much licensing fees, and contribute greatly to the stabilization of electric power supply through an increase of power transfer capability using existing transmission lines.
급증하는 전 세계 전력 수요를 감안할 때 중요 기관지 수출 품목으로 성장할 가능성이 매우 높습니다. 물론 전 세계적으로 볼 때 X-컨덕터보다 성능이 우수한 제품이 있긴 하지만 가격이 수십 배에 달합니다. 이에 반하여 X-컨덕터는 최적의 성능과 최고의 경제성을 가진 제품으로 세계 최고라고 해도 과언이 아닙니다. 향후 지속적인 연구를 통해 X-컨덕터의 성능을 계속 향상시켜 나갈 것입니다.